Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with the gemstone Mahogany Obsidian, the stone of development. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist. And I combine those skills and passions to provide you the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life. And these guided meditations are an opportunity to practice, to sit with various gemstones, to feel their energy, to hear about the benefits that they support, and decide if that's a gemstone that you'd like to work with further. If you're watching this video and you haven't already subscribed, then make sure that you do subscribe because I talk about a new gemstone every single week and I don't think you want to miss it. If you haven't already watched the video, the top 4 crystal healing benefits of mahogany obsidian, then I'll link that up in the eye in case you want to pause this video, go watch that one, learn a little bit more about the supportive benefits before we get into this meditation. Now, the only 2 things that you'll need is a gemstone, but you don't actually need the gemstone to benefit from this meditation. You can picture a stone in your mind that is black and kind of chocolate pudding brown. And if any of the prompts that you hear during this guided meditation really feel familiar to you or trigger you, then that's a sign that you should get some mahogany obsidian and work with it further. So if you do have your stone, then it's a good idea to go get that and place it next to your meditation space. And then you'll need a comfortable seat. So that could be on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, or directly on the ground outside. And since this is a very earth-based stone, then sitting outside on the ground is pretty appropriate for this one as well. So if you have your gemstone and you have your comfortable seat, then let's begin. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And notice what it feels like to breathe right now. How does it feel in your body to be breathing? And then notice if there are any physical sensations in your body that stand out to you. What's going on in your heart area, your emotional center right now? How is the state of your mind? Is it clear? Is it busy? We're not trying to change or fix anything. We're just checking in with ourselves to see what's going on with you right now. And then bringing your awareness to those parts of your body that touch the cushion or the ground beneath you. And remembering that you are sitting on top of the entire earth. Right over its center, you are perfectly supported by its entire mass. And you have access to all of the energy within the earth. So it will support and protect you during this guided meditation today. If you have your piece of mahogany obsidian, then pick that up and place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the benefits of the gemstone during the guided meditation today. And take a minute to hold your stone, to feel its surface, to notice the weight of it in your hand. Take a minute to get to know your piece of mahogany obsidian. Is it smooth and tumbled, or is it rough? And if you don't have mahogany obsidian, then imagine a stone that is both black and a chocolate brown. And notice if anything feels different in your body, heart, and mind since you've picked up the mahogany obsidian. Now imagine yourself surrounded by a lush green forest full of trees and plants and flowers and greenery, and you are enveloped by the smell of fresh dirt and plants. And sit with this image of mahogany obsidian energy for a minute. Mahogany obsidian is the stone of development. And as you sit and hold or imagine the stone, consider the following questions and how they may apply to your life right now, or maybe not. Are you a student or working to learn or develop a skill? Are you currently going through a difficult time in your life? Do you feel stress and anxiety on a regular basis? Are you trying to determine your life goals or purpose? Is a current long-term project feeling stale or boring right now? All of these life situations are supported by mahogany obsidian, the stone of development. And if one of these stood out to you more than the others, then bring it back to you, to your body and your heart and your mind. And let's sit with this for another couple of minutes while you hold the stone. And while you're sitting and considering the situation, then notice if anything changes about the way that you feel about it as you hold the gemstone. Not trying to force anything, just paying attention and noticing. And bringing your awareness back to your body, your heart, and your mind. And notice if anything at all has changed since you started this meditation. And then release the image of the mahogany obsidian energy and the situation that you were sitting with, and just come back to your breathing. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today to sit with mahogany obsidian, the stone of development. And I hope that you found this useful. And if it feels like mahogany obsidian is a stone that you would like to work with some more, then these meditations were meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can quickly call up the benefits of the gemstone as soon as you pick it up. You feel like you need it, you pick it up, and you can immediately feel its effects. And that is the essence, the core of incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life. Knowing which life situations you want support with, which gemstones will help you, and practicing on a regular basis, using them when you need them. So as I said before, if you're new to the channel, I post about a new gemstone every single week. 2 videos about a gemstone every single week. The informational videos on Wednesday and the guided meditations on Friday. So if you don't want to miss a single gemstone video and you want an in-depth study on crystal healing, then make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next week.